Hello, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, then hi. This is to say thank you to my members, my likers, my watchers, and everybody who watches till the end. You rock! Anyway, if you was with me when I did the silicone inlays, this was my spare silicone. And I used an embossing tray to make a spider web. So I thought, I made a spider out of gummies. It needs a web. So, why not make a tray and put the spider on it? So, I am doing. Now, the silicone did not need anything to stick it down. It sort of just went and stuck. It was brilliant. I liked it very much. And I am making a tray using... Did I use resin? Yes, I used resin. Oh my days. My brain. But now I'm just marking it off so I can trim it to the right size that I need. So it fits nicely. I am going to be using some micas. That is a QR code for subscribing and or buy me a coffee, or in my case sanity, and that's entirely up to you. But the subscribing is free. Honest. This spiderweb came out a lot better than I thought it was going to do. It's really, really pretty. I'm not a fan of spiders, but yeah, I like this. Oh, and save your little bits. You can always use them to pad out when you're making your own moulds. Yes, I'm tight. I don't like throwing things. I can't help it. So, what I'm done is I've done my 1:1 resin clear, and it's been on the heat mat. I haven't used my dual head mixer because it's just a small amount, very, very small amount, because I just want it to, well, basically put the silicone inlay on, and then I'll put something different on the back. I'm scraping out every last little drop because, again, don't like waste. And I will clean cups out so I can reuse them. This plastic knife is absolutely brilliant to getting near enough all the resin out. Best thing I've found. It is really, really good. So what I need to do is make sure everything's filled, get rid of any bubbles, and that dang hair that I thought was the cat's, but is not. It's mine. So yes, no cats were blamed in this episode, for a change. But there are lots and lots of little bubbles, and they go around the inside and the outside to try and dislodge any other bubbles. But this resin's quite good. It is just a cheap bog standard resin from Amazon. I mod you. I don't have any issues with it whatsoever, and it doesn't stink. It's really good. Now, I thought I'd just dribble some black glitter, just for that little bit of pizzazz. I know it sinks, so I was not worried about that. Only this one doesn't sink as fast as you think it does, and especially with the heat mat on, it kind of, well, it looks quite magical. I like it. And I didn't really want it to spread in the middle, but when I put the inlay down, it kind of pushes it back again, so it works a treat. I've sprayed some isopropyl alcohol just to clear any more bubbles because they're introducing the glitter, and then you do the taco method, kind of just sort of like let it itself up nice and sucky, not shrinky. Oh, I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm waffling again. And it does kind of move, but that's okay, it's not a problem. So now it's time to get it out, and I'm using Tiny Turner Powders. I can't actually remember what that one is, and I can't read it either. Hopefully I'll show it to the screen, and well, you'll be able to read it yourself. It has spread weirdly, but again, I quite like it. It's odd. Now, I go over the lines when the pen works, because I haven't shook it or pressed it like you're normally supposed to do, with some silver pen, just to get it to stand out. You can't really see what I'm doing. I don't know what it is, but I don't know if it's the light or what. I don't think I'd quite caught the light so you could see it. But yes, I painstakingly went over every line. But eventually you can see it when I hit the light right. You can see it just popping out now. And I'm trying to be careful not to dislodge the mould, because as soon as you do that, the suction's gone and the rest of your resin that's going to be put on could shrink. Now, you still can't really see it very well, but promise me, I promise you, it does show up. And it really does look nice and spiderwebby. And I really did think I'd sped this bit up, but actually I find it fascinating how it just appears. It's really cool. I'm watching my own video for a change. That's only because I'm doing voiceover. But yeah, my pen seems to be doing what it's supposed to do now. And I'm just going over bits that I've missed. But it really does look a treat. And what I'm going to put behind it is the Tiny Turner. And I think I use an ethereal powder. Is it ethereal? Oh my days, I can't actually remember. I did this video last week. I'm only just doing voiceover the night before. But so much to do and so little time and so little effort. Not effort. I'm procrastinating. That's what I'm doing. I've got so many videos to get sorted and I'm just procrastinating. But yeah, that looks nice. Really posh. But grungy at the same time, which I like. And yeah, Aurora. There we go. It says Aurora. Blooming heck. So basically, I'm just using what's off the lid and trying not to use too much because, well, it's expensive powder, but it is nice powder. And you do get some really good effects with it. And you can see there's like a green, a blue, slight pink. There's a little lilac there. It's just, that's pretty. You can see there's little holes where I haven't sprayed the silicone before I put it onto the resin. So that's totally my error. I should have sprayed it before I put it in. And I'm not going over every little bit. I want little bits to shine a different colour and, well, just look pretty when you twist it in the light. And I'm trying not to also rub off the silver pen, so that will still show through. I'm filling in all the spaces. What am I talking about? See, I'm waffling supreme here. I don't know why you lot listen to me. I talk absolute nonsense. I have a memory of a goldfish. Once around the bowl and call me Bob. Anyway, this is part of the Thursday train with me, Dave, Janice, Julie, Adrian and Corey. I don't know who's in it this week as of now, so check my description box for the video links, as I shall be popping them in there. Please check everybody out. We all do something different and something wonderful. It's always nice to see what other artists do. Oh my god, did I just put myself in the same barrier as a blooming artist? Wow. It's late. I'll give that as an excuse. But can you see the light hit the colours? It looks like I'm putting nothing on, but as soon as the light hits it, it's like, oh, that's nice. That's pretty. Please don't forget to give us a like, a comment, share if you want, that'd be nice. And this bit's almost done. I don't think there's much more I can see. I think it looks like it's all been, yeah, it has, near enough. But I love the colours, how they just twizzle in the light. So pretty. I like colours. Not into subtle. So the next bit is going to be pouring on some black. And I've used this, it's from Temu. It's a black epoxy pigment. And it's still slightly translucent. Not too much. I didn't want to add too much. So I put alcohol in the actual cup to pop some bubbles, and you could see that it's just like doing that little twinkle thing when the bubbles pop. And I'm pouring it nice and slowly over the top. And I've also got skulls right in front. That's from when I did the light. I do like that light. It's on my desk. Put it on in dark. When I'm sat here just faffing about editing. It's pretty. Oh, don't forget to check out Saturday's collab. It's Craft Flicks. And I've done something really pretty. I like it. I hope you like it too. And there's lots of other people that's going to be in it too. So don't forget to check that out Saturday. I've properly enjoyed it. But I love watching bubbles just pop. And I've still got a teeny tiny bit left, and I thought I might as well use it up, see if I can get any more in. I'm gonna just put that under there, try and make it a bit more level. Even though it's on a leveling board, and it says it's level, it's not level. Look at that, how it pops. You can see some of the colour just popping through. It's like, oh, I like it. It's like fireworks going off. So pretty. That's because I put a bit too much powder in. So I've got to fill up this brain at the side of me with what I've got left, because I've done just a little bit too much. And I like to have something at the side just to not waste, basically. In fact, there is going to be a video coming up soon of me using lots of bits I don't like as filler. I think that would be a good idea. I might do a skull. We'll see. But you can still see that Aurora powder just popping. And like I said, it's only because it's a bit loose. So, it's now time for demold. And it twinkles. I had to touch it, I had to stroke it, it was lovely. And these are easy to pull out. There's no struggling with these, they're good trays. But I'm just like, oh, I like it. And you can see my glue mush in black. Yike. I didn't realise that. Oh God. For a photo of me in front of fire that'll keep kids away. My rats are chewing the box. Great. I'm hoping I can get rid of that noise. I have a funny feeling though. You might hear that. Oh, they are so loud. Oh, ta-da! Look at that. Look how shiny it is. It's so pretty. There's a couple of little bubbles where I went too fast around and it didn't really. Get rid of all the bubbles. But I will deal with that because I need to put a top coat on, because I'm going to put the spider on. And the spider is quite kooky on here. I quite like it. In fact, it's sat on my desk now with all little bits on top on it. I make too many trays to put little bits on. I really need to stop doing that. But I couldn't stop playing with it. You can see green, you can see a slight purple, white. It's like, oh, I like it. So I'm going to put the spider there, I'm going to put a top coat on, and I'll show you in the pictures. And if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up, and I shall see you all next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.